What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Mogul. My name is Art and this is AB right here. Today I'm going to show you guys my new addition to the family, the 2016 Porsche Cayman GT4. So why I picked the Porsche GT4? It's an interesting question. If you haven't been in the GT4 and you just see it going down the street, it looks like a regular Porsche Cayman with a wing in the back. But if you're behind the wheel of it, you know that it's not just a Cayman. The GT4 is an insane animal. This is a track car. It's a Porsche Cayman that comes with a GT3 front suspension and a Porsche 911 Carrera S engine. This car has 385 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. If you stop for a minute right there and think about it, it is a mid-engine car that weighs under 3,000 pounds and has 385 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. So think about it. This is a track car. Because it is mid-engine, it's very hard to lose control of it. This car doesn't have the Porsche PDK transmission, which is amazing on its own. The Porsche knows how to manufacture good transmissions. The PDK outdoes a lot of transmissions out there. But the 6-speed manual that they put in this car, the gear shift ratio, the short throws, it's amazing. The thing that I like the most about it is the outside body lines. The way Porsche changed this up from the regular Cayman, it made it look absolutely amazing. If you look at the car, just look at the outside, look at the front bumper, look at the front splitter on the bumper, look at the 3 to 4 inch ground clearance that you get on it, look at the hips, look at the rear wing. It has everything. From any angle, this car is beauty. Now, if you go to the interior of the Porsche GT4, Porsche put all the quality finishes that they could have. They have Alcantara. You have a Porsche 918 style type of steering wheel. You have the carbon back seats that are beautiful. Are they practical? I wouldn't say so. Would your wife hate you to get out of them? Probably most ladies would. They don't recline, so I wouldn't think a lady will like you. When you sit in them, you're like in a bucket. It's hard to get out. But for me, this is my option. This is what I wanted. I wanted this finish. What Porsche did with the door handles, they tried to save weight. So they put this red strap right here. It works the same as a regular door handle, you just have to pull it. The dashboard is all leather. The ceiling is all Alcantara. If you go to the outside of the car, they have the GT3 style type of wheels that are finished in gray on my car. The only thing that they don't have is the center lock wheels that the GT3 and the RSs have. One thing that I think Porsche didn't put in this car that maybe they could have and made it an option, even though it has the Porsche GT3 front suspension, it doesn't have the lift option. So when you're driving into plazas, you're going to be scraping your car. I mean, I try to drive in from any different angles, but some of the plazas, shopping centers and drive-thrus we have here, you're going to scrape. But they made it practical. They made the front lip affordable to replace. I think overall, my experience with owning this Porsche GT4, it is a keeper. I'm going to keep this. My question to my viewers, or to any of you that know, is I actually want to put a full exhaust system on it. So I was debating between the FabSpeed, SharkWorks, and the IP. So if any of you guys have any feedback, or if any of you guys would like to comment down below in regards to what system you guys enjoy, have, or have friends that have, please do so, comment below. Again, my review on the Porsche GT4, even though I've owned it for 2 months, I think that this is a great car. It's a great canyon car. It's a track car. So you have all the control. It's fun to drive. It's good to rip through the streets. I think that overall, this was a perfect build. I think Porsche did an immaculate job on making this car, and this is going to be a keeper. Again, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and comment on the video. Thank you.
Yeah.